Hello everyone. Let's dive into the JOYJOM Mini ITX Case, a chassis designed for those who crave power in a compact package. This case is an ultra-small form factor, SFF, marvel, boasting a mere 4.3 L capacity. Its dimensions clock in at 18.4 by 10.4 by 22.3 centimeters, making it ideal for space-constrained setups without sacrificing the ability to house a dedicated graphics card. The inclusion of a PCIe 4.0 riser cable is a significant highlight, ensuring that your high-end graphics card can communicate with the motherboard at blistering speeds. The provided riser cable measures 18.5 centimeters, which should be sufficient for most compatible cards within this case. Compatibility is key in the SFF world, and the JOYJOM case aims to strike a balance. It supports a standard mini ITX motherboard, 17 by 17 centimeters, which is the foundation of any build. For power, it requires a FlexSmall 1U power supply, with dimensions of 15 by 4 by 8 centimeters. This form factor might limit your PSU choices, so be sure to check compatibility before purchasing. Graphics card support is where this case shines. It can accommodate cards up to 17 centimeters in length, 10 centimeters in width, and 4 centimeters in thickness. This opens the door to a range of powerful, albeit smaller, GPUs. Storage-wise, the case features bays for two 2.5-inch SSDs, each with a maximum thickness of 9 millimeters. Finally, CPU cooler clearance is limited to 36 millimeters, which means you'll need to opt for a low-profile cooler to keep your processor running cool. The case is constructed from 2.0 millimeters aluminum alloy, which not only provides a sleek and modern aesthetic, but also contributes to heat dissipation. The aluminum body acts as a passive heatsink, helping to keep internal components cool under load. In the box, you'll find the Mini ITX case itself, the PCIe 4.0 riser cable, and a set of screws for assembly. It's worth noting that the case does not include a power supply, CPU cooler, or any other components, so you'll need to source those separately. Overall, the JOYJOM Mini ITX case presents a compelling option for those looking to build a small form factor gaming or workstation PC. Its compact size, PCIe 4.0 riser, and aluminum construction make it a standout choice in the crowded SFF market. However, the limited compatibility with power supplies and CPU coolers means that careful planning and component selection are essential.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.